Hello, you are welcome to your Fred Excel lessons for today. And as usual, hit on the thumbs up button and subscribe for more future videos. Moving right into our video for today, we'll be looking at how to combine two or more files on a single Excel sheet. Now, these are my files that are saved to download. So this file contains the expenditure of the marketing unit in a month. And I have same for the production unit and the sales unit, and say I want to generate a report that combines all three units into one sheet. Now, mind you, I deliberately hid the total row. You can always generate it as and when you want it, alright? Moving on, from your data tab here, you select the get data icon, then from file, you hit on the from folder icon here. Now this pop-up menu will show, and over here you have to select the location of the file, and my file is in my documents folder in downloads. Okay. Once that is done, you'll see a preview of your files. Here you have your marketing unit, production unit, and sales unit. And here we are going to combine and transform our data to merge all our files. Now this drop-down menu shows the files that you are meant to combine. You have to select the sample file. So over here, we'll just select the first file, which is the marketing unit, and we'll hit on this table icon. Once that is done, you'll see a preview of your worksheet, and you hit on OK. To direct you to this stage where the preview of all your combined files is shown, then you'll hit on this close and load icon to load your files onto your Excel sheet. And bingo! You have all your files combined onto one sheet. You can see from here that your marketing unit, your production unit, and your sales unit are represented here. Okay, you can now go ahead and check your total row. Okay. And we are good to go. Thank you for joining in today, and please follow Fred Excel on all social media platforms, and don't forget to share. See you.